Good evening. Today we are going to see about the BitLocker. How to encrypt Windows encryption technology that protects your data from unauthorized access by encrypting your drive and requiring one or more factors of authentication before it will unlock it. See, if you want to encrypt any Windows, suppose you want to encrypt your data, drives, or anything else, you can just go for this BitLocker. Windows will require a BitLocker recovery key when it detects a possible unauthorized attempt to access the data. So now we will start the process how to encrypt the BitLocker, how to use this technology of the BitLocker. First, just to open the Windows R and just give a command name as, see here I already typed gpedit.msc. Just type there as gpedit.msc and then OK. See here box appeared. Here we can see file, action, view, help. Arrow marks are there right and left. Down we can see local computer policy, and there we can see computer configuration, and software settings are there, Windows setting is there, administrative templates are there, and down we can see user configuration, software setting, Windows setting and administrative templates. So don't be confused and don't go for down option. When we want to enable or disable the BitLocker, just go for first option, computer configuration, and just click on administrative templates, Windows components. Here we can see BitLocker drive encryption. Just click on BitLocker drive encryption, and down operating system drives are there. Click on it, and here we can see all options, all the files which we want to disable or enable. So here when we open these settings, here we can see many files, and beside that we can see that not configured, and comments there is no. So here you have to enable or disable it. So just go for third option, require additional authentication, and in the third option you have to click right click and then edit. And there we got here options, enable and disable option is there. Just go for enable, and down we can see allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM. Here box is there, right here click is there, automatically it will be there. So just don't do any changes here. Let it be right click, requires a password or startup key on USB flash drive. So don't do any changes. Just here you have to give enable option, and then here OK. First you have to give apply and then OK. We have to apply the changes now. That's why we have to give apply and then OK. Here we can see enable option is there. And open search icon and type there as BitLocker. See here we can see Manage BitLocker is there. Control panel. Just click on it. See here we can see BitLocker drive encryption is there. Operating system drive, BitLocker off, and down we can see removal data drives. BitLocker to go. Insert a removal USB flash drive to use BitLocker to go. Turn on BitLocker. You have to click on turn on BitLocker. See here we can see BitLocker drive encryption C. Choose how to unlock your drive and start up. See here we can see many settings. Some settings are managed by your system administration. Insert USB flash drive. Enter a password. So here you have to keep one of the password which must be very strong, so that no one can crack your password and encrypt your BitLocker, your any drive. Just enter any password. So suppose 123 I am entering 1234, and re-enter your password. Same password you have to give 1234, and next. The password provided doesn't meet minimum length requirement. Actually we have to give the strong password. So 1234 and now I gave some strong password, and next. See here we can see BitLocker drive encryption. See, how do you want to back up your recovery key? Some settings are managed by your system administrator. Recovery key can be used to access your files or and folders. If you are having problem unlocking your PC, it's a good idea to have more than one and keep each in safe place other than your PC. So here we are having many settings. Save to your soft micro account. So I am going to print the recovery key. Here we can see print option is there. Select printer is there. So Microsoft print to PDF and then print. I want as PDF, that's why I just took PDF option. Here file name I am giving as password. Save. If you want to save in Microsoft account, you can save. USB flash drive, you can save. See here your recovery key was printed. Next. Encrypt, use disk space only. Faster and best for new PCs and drives. Encrypt entire drive. Slower but best for PC and drives already in use. So I am using first option, and next. New encryption mode. So two modes are there. So I am going to first option. Just I will choose which encryption mode to use. Windows 1 version. Introduce a new disk encryption mode. So whatever you are choosing, you can choose, and you can give. So I am giving first option, and then here are you ready to encrypt this drive? So actually if you want you can do, and if you doesn't want, you cannot do. Here I did, and encryption will begin after computer restart. So already I gave password, and I gave entire details whatever it required. I showed step by step process. You just follow the step by step process, and encrypt your drive so that your data cannot be misused by anyone. So if they try to remove your hard disk and they try to place in some other laptops or PC, and if they want to extract the data also, they cannot do because you already encrypted with your password. So it's better option if anything is important, you don't want to share with anyone, just keep an BitLocker enable, and then give strong password and protect your files and folders. So hope video is good, and if you find video is somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.